Excuse me, this is something new in a minute or two.
Snap and Read is an assistive technology tool available to FHS students and teachers through a Chrome browser extension or an iPad app. Snap and Read allows for online text to be read aloud, leveled without changing the meaning, translated into over 100 different languages, and multiple study tools to be used to help understand the material. We must first begin by adding the Chrome extension. First, we need to open the Chrome web browser. Once it is open, go to the right-hand corner and click on the three dots. Then select More Tools, then Extensions. On the extension screen, go to the main menu, which is the three lines on the left-hand side, scroll down towards the bottom and choose Open Chrome Web Store. When this window opens, you may type in a search for Snap and Read. Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. It will check for a few seconds. After it is done checking, the extension will show up in the extension bar at the top right-hand bar. You may click on the grayed out icon in the extension bar and sign in using your Microsoft credentials. If you are prompted for a code, you can contact Sherry Demos and she will provide you one. You'll know that you're ready to go once the icon turns blue. Feel free to check out all the features of Snap and Read in another Something New or a Minute or Two.